Hey, I'm Jess, and this is Cliff. Just because laundry is a chore, shopping for one doesn't have to be. When you're prepping to bring a new washer-dryer duo into your home, there are a few things to keep in mind. Your space, lifestyle, laundry habits, budget, and yes, even the color, features, and accessories matter. Plus, let's not forget the matching dryer. Cliff's ready to help you make a list and check it twice. First up, pick your washer type. You've got options, folks. There's the top load model with agitator and infuser versions. The agitator is like a really helpful friend in the middle of the tub, spinning your clothes clean, while the infuser model creates a current of cleanliness from the bottom up. If you're more gravity inclined, go for the front load models. They let gravity and the tub do the heavy lifting. Don't stress over the choice. All washers use water, temperature, agitation, and detergent to ensure your clothes are clean. Next, consider your space. Got a roomy laundry area? Go wild with larger capacities. 4.2 cubic foot and up can handle bulky comforters and large loads with no problem. Tight on space? Don't worry. Stackable, unitized, or portable options have got your back. We didn't sacrifice any form for function. We want them to look just as good as they wash. High-end front-load models offer modern hues like carbon graphite and sapphire blue. But white, the classic charmer, is always a safe bet. Looking for a modern twist on top-load washers? Check out the back guard color. Now let's dig into features. Top-load and front-load aficionados have their own favorites. Top-load fans? Here's what you've got. Water level control for those bulky items. The My Cycle setting, which remembers your preferences, a total lifesaver. Eco Cold for those looking to save energy and some dough. The Sanitize cycle, kicking bacteria to the curb. And Washer Link, meaning the machines talk so you don't have to tell the dryer what to do. For the front load enthusiast, there's the innovative Ultra Fresh vent system with odor block and microban antimicrobial technology. Odor be gone. The Sanitize with OxyCycle for a concentrated high temp clean, and the Smart Dispense feature that does the thinking for you. Love high tech? Our profile brand's got a combo washer and dryer with ventless heat pump technology. It is a game changer. Once you know your favorite features, take a gander at accessories. From durable stainless fill hoses to Wi-Fi connected machines for software updates, machine monitoring, and notifications, we've got you covered. And if you're tired of bending over to unload your front loader, we can help. There are accessories you can add that increase the height of your machine. Just measure if you've got overhead cabinets. And Cliff's got a point. Don't forget the matching dryer. Your washer and dryer should be best friends, handling similar load sizes and drying time. Here's a little trivia. A decade ago, washers had a 3.7 cubic foot capacity. Today, you can get up to a whopping 5.0 cubic feet. Make sure your dryer can match your washer's capacity. And speaking of dryers, they've come a long way too. Think sensor technology, higher airflow, and steam options. A little tip from Cliff, most electric dryers don't come with a cord. Check if your home has a 3-prong or 4-prong outlet before you shop. Remember to snap a picture of this recap to help you shop. For more tech features, including our ultra-fast combo washer dryer, check out our profile brand. Cliff and I are here to make your laundry days a breeze.